Hi there, here we go with the 362BH. You see the deluxe sleeper sofa. It's very thick all the way out, pulls way out here. It's not the little jackknife. There beside it you have the large U-shaped sofa. Makes a nice big table, booth, and also a couch if you want to take the table down. Here we have the entertainment area. Lots of storage. Streaming machine, DVD there. The kitchen has the L-shaped counter, has the large residential refrigerator, freezer. Has the microwave and the oven built in. Has a sunken stove top, the glass top. This is all one piece now. The countertop, so you don't have to worry about these flanges coming off when they get wet. Has 3 drawers down here. They're all real solid wood, real metal runners on the drawers. 2 posts in our table instead of just one. Back here, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a large 1, 2, 3, 4 shelf pantry. Alright, let's go see the rest of the trailer. We're inside the children's bedroom. It has a booth dinette that makes a bed, of course, and then it has 3 other big bunks. These 2 over here are very wide and spacious. Has a dresser built into the unit too. 2 windows atop and 2 windows below. We have the small bathroom. Actually, it's a large bathroom for a trailer this size, but it has the built-in linen closet. Has a very spacious sink. There's a medicine cabinet. Has a step-in shower. Even has storage on this side for linens, and of course a foot flush toilet. 2 doors, one going to the master bedroom and the other going into the front room living area. I'm going to step out and let you look at it for just a moment. Let's go. We have the master king bedroom. It has lots of storage, has a little dresser here, has its own private door, has a place for a TV to hang on the wall over here, has the large laundry room. You could take the shelves out and put in a stackable unit if you would like. Has a very large closet, doors that slide, storage underneath of the closet also. Storage under the king bed too. 2 windows up by the head of the bed. Come see us at Bell Camper Sales of Arnoldville and Dewey, Highway 75 North. Family owned and family operated since 1967. Thank you.